Hey, hello everyone. I'm Amrita this side, and today we are going to create a quiz game in Python. This is really very simple and basic game, but yeah, you need to understand the logic. Okay, so yeah, let's start. So first of all, we have to define a function here. So let's create a function, and the name of the function will be quiz game. Okay, so this is basically our function. Okay, and inside the function we will encapsulate all the logic and the states of the game. Okay, chalo. All right, so our next task is to create a dictionary. Okay, so this is basically a question book. Okay, questions, and you know very well that identity of the dictionary. This is curly bracket. Okay, so I will create here question and their answer, and you know very well that in dictionary there is key value pair. Okay, so in the key I will write question. Okay, question is what is the value of let's suppose 5 plus 5. So okay, and I will write, wait a minute, oh wait a minute, I will write here answer, that is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. Okay, so can you see this? This is what, this is our key, and this is what, this is our value. In our quiz down, this is our question and this is our answer, right? So let me write another question. What is the capital of India? So this is our, wait a minute. Okay, yeah. So this is our question, and let me write the answer. New Delhi. Okay, so this is our value and answer, right? Let me write another question. What is the value of 2 plus 3? 2 plus, okay, 3. Okay, whatever. And let me write the answer. That is 2 plus 3 is what? 5, right? Okay. And let me write another question. What is the capital of Japan? Japan का capital क्या है? Do you know? Wait a minute. Let me tell you. Tokyo mat. दोबारा मत Tokyo. That is Tokyo. Okay. So this was my trick to remember. Tokyo. Okay. So there is basically 4 questions, right? And this is our key, this is our value, basically this is our question, and this is our answer. So in the dictionary, I have created 4 keys, that is 4 questions and their answers. Okay, cool. Now our next task is to create a variable score. It will count our score. Okay, all right. And next step is to print a welcome message. Simple. Okay, so welcome to the quiz game. Okay, all right. And now here our logic start, and you need to focus here. Okay, so I will run here our for loop. Okay, and to iterate through this dictionary, I will use here questions. See the spelling, this is questions. Let me change one thing. Let me write here capital. This is questions. Okay, all right. So this question is for this question. Got it? This questions is what? This is, let me write question bank. So you want to be confused. Question bank. Yeah. This is our dictionary name, baby. Don't be confused. Okay. This question is for this question. This is question. Okay. Like for I and J, like that. Okay. So for question, answer, and answer will iterate this one. Answer in question bank. Okay, this is what dictionary, and there is a method named items. Okay, this item will iterate through the dictionary. Got it? Items. Okay, now what I will do, I will create user input here. So user answer, this is our variable user answer. I will take input from the user, right? And if I will write here, enter your answer, so you will enter your answer, but I don't want to write this part. I want to show them question. I don't want to show them enter your answer. No, I want to show them the question. What is the value of 5 plus 5? What is the capital of India? Like that. So for this purpose, I will use here f string, right? F string for question. Okay, this question. I want to show them this question. That's why I have written here f string. Okay, and I want to convert them in lower. Got it? Simple? Very good. So if user answer is equal to this answer, okay, if user answer is equal to this answer, I want to print correct. Your answer is correct and count the score. Clear? Else, I want to print what? Wrong, of course. Okay, but also I want to print the correct answer, that, and for this I have to use f string, right? So let me use here f string. Wrong answer. The correct answer is answer. Okay, hold on. Right, cool. And at last I want to show them their score. Okay, so it will be f string because I want to show them the total score, that's why. Okay, so f of course you scored this, and our total uh, question. So length function I am using here. Okay, you scored this one. Out of this is our question, total question. This is your score. Okay, simple. Good. Now our last step is to call the function. Simple, easy. So basically what we have done here, now understand. So we have defined a function and its name is quiz game, and we have created a dictionary, that is question bank, and we have written here 4 questions with their answer, and we have created a variable score. Okay, it will count your score. We have printed a welcome message for the user, and next step is we have executed for loop. Okay, and for each question, for each question's answer will be this. Okay, and if user answer, and it will this particular input will print your question, what is the capital of Japan, like that. Okay, and it will convert into lower format. Okay, if user answer is equal to this answer, our answer, then show them correct and score will be +1. Else, wrong answer, the correct answer will be this. And at last, you will print your score this out of this. Simple. Okay. All right. Now save it and run it. Okay. So welcome to the quiz game. What is the value of 5 plus 5? And let me write here 10. Correct. Okay. Next question. What is the capital of India? Let me write here New Delhi. Correct. What is the value of 2 plus 3? Let me write wrong values. 6. Wrong answer. The correct answer is 5. What is the capital of Japan? It is, let me type in capital letter. Tokyo. Correct. Okay, got it. So you scored 3 out of 4. So there were 4 questions. I scored 3. Okay, cool. Very good. Now understand one thing, that if you still have any doubt, how it works and how this part works, how like this part works, then let me explain you in detail also. Okay, so what happens with this part? Let me show you in output. Okay, so questions bank, that is our dictionary dot item what it print. Okay, so hold on, control s, run it. Now see, understand. So our items method will print all the key value pair in a tuple. So this is a tuple, can you see, this is a tuple, and in tuple our each key value pair will store in a tuple. Can you see, this is key, this is value, this is key, this is value, this is key, this is value. And I have used your question for, can you see here, this one, for question and answer. So it will iterate through this dictionary for question, answer, for question, for answer, like that. Okay. Hope so. You got it. If still you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section. And please practice this. And yeah, thank you so much.